Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery with a 16 by 20 inch canvas, and my Prussian blue is open and I'm going to wing it. I want a wild sky, a wild night sky. I might even put some black in there. Where's my black? I don't want the medium black I'm going to use after. I'm going to grab an OXO omelet turning spatula. Maybe a little pink too, I'm not sure. Alright, so get that torch out of the way. Use some of my color on the edge of my canvas and maybe right on the top too. Just rub it right over right now while I can. Just going to fill in some canvas and continue to work as I go. Need that paint right along there. I like those two pinks together. And, whoops, that was a little messy. And try not to leave any canvas behind. I'm just going to use my leftover paint right down there. And put some black on the bottom. Just spread it around. I like the sky, looks like it has stars in it. I'm going to take that black paint right off my spatula and put it on the bottom edge. Just because it's a matte black canvas, and when I spread a little paint, it becomes not a matte black canvas. Make sure my edges are looking sort of cohesive. I am going to put my spatula in the bucket. What am I going to do now? That's the question. Do nothing in particular that makes any sense, even to me. Come on out. Chrysocolla. The gold is Decorated Americana with a little bit of orange in it. What else do I want? That's the question. I want some of my mysterious a bit of gold, a bit of orange. I think a little more purple is not going to hurt me. Now I'm just going to take my card and some of the Mead and Black paint because I have not done this before. And I have been wanting to. Maybe up from the bottom. Cover everything. I'm probably going to call this good. I might put a moon in the sky, but I think I'm going to have to wait to do that. Just going to keep stealing some paint. Put it right in along the horizon line. Use my card, the edge of my card, to push some things up. Drag them over. Use my finger. Can't tell you how long I've wanted to do this. Okay, so that's my Mead landscape experiment. Sand's finishing. Just going to make some very uneven rock outcroppings by shuffling the card along the edge, adding some interest to the landscape. Because whatever I put in there, it's still wet enough so I could fix it. So it makes me kind of brave. Boy, that beats the heck out of Floetrol. But it's still pretty cool. Where's my... Let's give my little silicone tool a try. See if it'll pop any cells. Yeah, I think that just wants a moon in it. Don't know what that is. And if it's something, it needs to come out. Yes. Okay, I want to put a moon in there so bad. I can't even tell you. What could I do about that? I think I could put something that looks similar to a moon in there. If I could get the paint to come out, it would be even better. No, it's not. It will now. It will now in a minute. Sorry. It did. So I've got just a little bit on the tip of my spatula. Put a mysterious moon in there. We'll just decide that there's some clouds in front of it. I need a different tool. There's no doubt about it. I'm not sure what I'm going to use though. I had a nice round tip one of those and I'm not sure where it went. Well, I have a really weird little tool. It's from my friend who was doing ceramics. So long as it's got a round ball on it, should be okay. I say that. If it bleeds through, it's just going to be the way it is. And I can take my little silicone tool and put a few bits of moonlight in there. And a little more if I want to. Because every layer you add adds dimension and depth. And I could probably squeeze bottle it in, but I think it would be too much. I'm just going to wipe that off. I keep using it up. I'm just putting it right down on my low leafy silicone mat. And then I use it up and I can't find it again. So fine. So I'll actually put some in there. Sort of bouncing that off. Okay. I think I could keep adding moonlight for a long time. The moon is pink, which means it's got some pink clouds. It is what it is. And it's the first time I've really played with using the black Meaden paint as a catalyst for creating cells in the bottom of the landscape. Shouldn't be much of anything in the way of bubbles in the top, just based on the fact that I swiped so many times. Got some really wild cells. I'm gonna say I want some clouds across the moon. There, mysterious moon. Excellent. Thank you guys for joining me. There's over 91,700 of you, and if you're interested, there's over 1,800 videos on playlists, creative playlists, all playlists on my YouTube channel. If you go to my YouTube channel and you go to the header, you're going to find PayPal and Patreon icons on the bottom right-hand corner. Should you want to win a painting, your chances are very good if you make a donation to help support the studio. And you can see the prizes for the drawing that I hold at the end of every month on the exhibition video in the last 20 seconds of any video. And it changes. I held the drawing in the last couple days, and I create a new video for all the paintings I've just recently made. It's not always the way it was, but it is the way it is now. I'm going to zoom in. I've got to fix my camera, so maybe I can lean it. Ooh, I can lean it right back. Look at all those cells. It's a sort of an otherworldly landscape. Hopefully my camera will land okay when I bring back the... It's not on a tripod. It's a tripod dangling from a floor lamp with no top on it. It's a pretty weird setup. Alright, I love you guys. Please give me a thumbs up. Please share my videos. Please watch them longer. Please watch them when the notifications come out. And if you're interested in making a purchase, make note of the number and the hashtag in the title of any video. And let me know through my email, which is right under the link tree. The link tree is under the video. The link tree also has Pinterest, Instagram, and Twitter links, as well as my Amazon link where you can shop at no added cost to you, and it helps me out, and I really appreciate it. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Fans and Collectors is a Facebook group on the link tree, along with Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group, which is for students, and that's another Facebook group. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Totes and More will take you via a Shop Now button to pixels.com and Fine Art America, so you can get there twice. I love you guys. Thank you so much for all the wonderful comments that you leave me all the time, and thank you so much for all the donations that help keep me painting all the time. If you have questions, please ask them. If you are looking for my paint pouring recipe, it's in the middle of the description. When you open Show More underneath the video, you will find it. If I've forgotten anything, it's Teespring clothing is below the video, and it's all over print leggings and all over print t-shirts and lots more than that. And should you ever desire to have anything reproduced on canvas or a coffee mug or you name it in between, clothing is available. All kinds of things are available. Just ask me and I will add it to wherever you're more inclined to shop. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery saying bye for now. I'll see you anon. Oh yeah, I post at 3:15 p.m. and Friday, Saturday, and Sunday night at 10 p.m. also. So, if you're interested, you can find me. Please subscribe. Thank you if you are subscribed. If you're new, please be welcomed. And I'll talk to you anon. Bye for now.